got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your
What you running in here, bro? I got 12 Crossfire XT418s. Yeah. With a Crossfire C7 4K per sub. Yeah. Got a 390 amp aux, 3 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got plenty on here.
Yeah, plenty.
That one yours too, ain't?
No, that's my friend.
That's your friend right there. Yeah.
All right. All Christian rap, man. Christian music.
It's all good. Yes, sir.
Here we go again. I mean, it's my first time. Hope I can kill this on Wednesday. I was riding with it. Confusing the enemy,
Texting on the phone.
They won't let you do it with it, man.
Appreciate you.
I appreciate it, bro. Good seeing you, man. I had your video up, man. Appreciate it.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.